Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for March 23rd, 2012. Might have been a double bottom on the daily chart here. We're still in this bull channel that we see. I continue to think with 5 days remaining, we're going to get a end of the month, end of the quarter run up. We've had such a strong run up this year so far. We opened at 1254. We're up about 12% this year, and the market continues to grind higher. We did take out yesterday's low, and today we traded down this 1380 level, which was the lowest level we've seen since March 13th. I was talking about this 1377 from where we broke off from the top on the day of the stress test as being very critical. We tested back down, but we closed on the highs. I think we will continue to go higher next week into the end of the quarter. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. This is what I trade the minis on. So we opened up this morning. Let me find this morning. We opened up this morning at 1388.5. I talk about it 80% of the time. We have the high or low within the first hour. We got the low in the first hour. This was a huge, probably took a lot of stops out. Down to this 1380 half level. A lot of traders have their stops under lows or highs of previous days. So maybe a lot of traders have their stops at 1382, which is 2 ticks under the low. Took all the stops out. Huge tail. The low of the day right there. We grinded on higher. We had a breakout of the cloud right here. And I actually bought at 1389, and then at 1390, and then I scratched them out. So, and then we just continue to grind higher. We had the high of the day at 1393 quarter. Come to Monday, important levels I'm looking at now to the downside. We have this 1380 level. 1377 will be very critical. If we bust that 1377, we could see the low of 1366, which is for the low from March 13th. To the upside, 1408 I talk about is very critical. High of today, 1393 will be critical. 1411, and we have Alex's year-end target, or where he thinks we're going to go, is 1484. This is Andrew Keene from Keene on the Market, and have a great weekend.